Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now on the teachings of Jesus. So if you want to hear what Jesus did teach, but in the Jamaican language, then make sure you follow it. And we want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language. So help us by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, tell us what you think about today's reading, and share this with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, today is the best day if you click the subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell as well, because then you will get notified every time there's a new video on this channel. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today I'm going to read from Mark chapter 7, from verse 14 to verse 23. Then Jesus called the crowd one more time for come which part him did there, and said to them, say, all I want to listen me and understand this. Nothing where the outsiders somebody can't make them get dirty. I will come out of their mouth, make them dirty. After Jesus left the crowd and go in at the house, him follow them, ask him, what the Torah mean? So him said to them, say, what do you mean say you no really no get what me I say? You no know say nothing where nobody eat can't make God right them have said them dirty. Cause when them eat, no go in at them heart. It go in at them stomach, and then it go in at the toilet. Jesus said this, for sure say all food clean. So him say, are they sitting them where come out as somebody make them dirty and not clean in a God eye? Cause inside somebody heart, all kind of wickedness where people think up come from. People do all kind of sex sin, thief, kill people, sleep with other people where they not married to. Wanty, wicked, tell lie, no business with no law, and broke every one of them. Ready eye, take them mouth, tear down other people, show off and full up all kind of foolishness. All of them sitting there come out as somebody heart and make them dirty and not clean in a God's eye. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.